Hey, here's a place that you can earn some easy extra cash. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I want to introduce you to a site that I just discovered called Figure 8. All right, this is one of those sites where you get paid to do micro tasks. All right, so these kind of jobs usually don't pay a lot, but they're very, very easy to do. You'll be doing things like audio transcription, um, analyzing social media content, something else I said, but I forgot. It's like 4 or 5 different things you could do, but all of them are like brain dead simple to do. And you can do them, usually take around a minute, depending on what kind of task you're doing. Usually you get paid maybe a few cents per task, but keep in mind the tasks are short. If you advance, and get, I guess you can get ranked higher, and then if you do get ranked higher, you can actually earn more money per task or get opened up to different tasks that automatically pay you more anyway. All right, so name of the site is called Figure 8. I haven't used it yet. Like I said, I just seen it, just read about it, and it's compared to Amazon MTurk and kind of like Apen, if you're familiar with that work from home opportunity. It's kind of compared along those lines. Keep in mind, again, guys, these types of jobs are not meant to be like, oh, I work from home. I work for Figure 8. No. If you're really grind, right, you can probably earn maybe between 30 and 50 bucks a month because it's just the tasks are so, it's like you get a few cents. Yes, the cents add up, but there's nothing that you can make a living from, right? But it's very, very easy. So what I recommend with sites like this is take whatever money you get. Use these sites. Use Figure 8 on your spare time. If you're not doing anything or you watching TV or something or whatever, and you're just bored, you want to earn some money, maybe you can get, $20, $30, $40 at the end of the month, doing these jobs. Take that money and use it productively. You know what I'm saying? Put it back into something that can make you more money, right? Buy a course, you know what I mean? Or buy a domain name so you could do some affiliate marketing or whatever, or put it towards, some of your programs that you need, some of your tools that you need, to make real money online. That's what I would do, Or if you are watching this and you're like, yo, dude, I don't want to do none of that. I just want extra 30 bucks a month. You can put it on your cell phone bill. But if you're watching this video, most likely you do want to make a little bit more money, than just 30 to 50 bucks a month. All right. But you can make some extra cash with Figure 8. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Be sure to comment, share this video if you found it interesting, give it that thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel because you see I'm always on here dropping that content. Till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.